ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hi, this is Radio Manu 90.0 FM. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, and I welcome all of you to today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same dates in history. Today is the 16th of June, and the facts are as follows. Firstly, on June 16th in the year 1963, the world heard a new voice crackle through the radio static, Valentina Tereshkova, call sign Seagull, as she became the first woman in space aboard Vostok 6, soaring above Earth for nearly 3 days and completing 48 orbits. A young factory worker turned cosmonaut whose calm reports from the capsule and breathtaking descriptions of the blue horizon marked a historic moment that proved women could not only match but excel in the final frontier. Founded on June 16th in the year 1903, the Ford Motor Company began when Henry Ford and 11 associate investors pooled their vision and their resources to launch what would become one of the world's most iconic automakers, transforming a small Detroit workshop into a global symbol of innovation and mobility. Today, on June 16th, we celebrate the International Day of Family Remittances, honoring the millions of migrants around the world who send a portion of their earnings back home. Lifelines that support families, strengthen communities, and fuel economic growth across borders. Also today, on June the 16th, we observe the International Day of the African Child, a day that honors the bravery of the students of the 1976 Soweto Uprising and renews the call to ensure every child in Africa has access to quality education, protection, and the chance to shape a brighter future. Today, on this very day, back in the year 1884, thrill seekers got their first taste of modern amusement when the Switchback Railway, the world's first purpose-built roller coaster, opened at Coney Island, New York, sending passengers careening along wooden tracks and sparking a century-long love affair with roller coaster rides. Today, on June the 16th, Ireland celebrates Bloomsday, honoring the life and work of a legendary writer, James Joyce, as fans around the world retrace the footsteps of his iconic character, Leopold Bloom, through Dublin, celebrating literature, culture, and the enduring legacy of one of Ireland's greatest authors. And lastly, today we celebrate the birth of legendary Bollywood actor Mithun Chakraborty, born on June the 16th in the year 1950, whose versatile performances and iconic dance moves have made him a beloved figure in Indian cinema for decades. That's all, dear listeners, for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to please be considerate and kind to all the specially abled people around you, and take care of yourselves. I will be back with more interesting facts and discussions. Till then, please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.